Hey folks, I am Divya Gupta and I welcome you to the very first video of the series where we will be diving deep into the JavaScript world, and we will also try to understand कि JavaScript इतनी popular क्यों है, because it is the most popular language being used right now. And also we will try to understand the frameworks related to JavaScript and how it is applied the browser, how it is executed in the browser, and the elements, how it is interacting with the elements, how do we create elements, and the enormous possibilities that JavaScript gives us. So let's get into the computer screen and let's learn a bit about JavaScript. So we will be learning JavaScript from the very beginning, and I will be covering all the aspects of JavaScript, all the basics, how do we write a for loop or the input output statements in JavaScript. I will be covering all of them. So if you want to watch those tutorials, you are most welcome. And from there we will be going into BOM, that is document object model, browser object model, ES6, and then we will going further to React, and then gradually to the backend. So yeah, this is supposed to be kind of a web development course, and along with that there are a lot of frameworks where you can apply JavaScript is a very popular language. There is a vast community support, and there are tons of libraries and frameworks that you will find in JavaScript. So yes, this is also the reason that you should learn JavaScript, and if you are learning JavaScript, then my friend, you will never regret learning JavaScript, because this is the language with which you can literally build anything. And basically it is not a programming language like there is C++. It is considered as a programming language, but this is development language. We use it to develop things, apps, UIs, animations also. So yeah, this is a good language. And why should you actually learn JavaScript? So JavaScript is very easy to learn. It is a loosely typed language. That means if you miss a semicolon here or there, then it's totally fine, it is still going to be executed. So this is very easy to learn for the beginners, and its wide application makes it feasible. For example, it is used in IoT, Internet of Things, big data analytics, and web development that we are certainly going to see in this series. And it has immense potential for development of lot of other things. For example, if we talk about animation of 3D models, we can use JavaScript libraries to inculcate 3D objects in your projects. So yeah, this is I don't think there should be any other reason that you should learn a language. Okay, so I will be going into JavaScript right from the starting point that I have mentioned already. And this is it for the intro video, and I'll see you in the next video where we will be going into the JavaScript basics and try to learn all those things.